C++ is a general-purpose programming language created by Bjarne Stroustrup as an extension of the C programming language, or C with classes. It was designed with a bias towards system programming and embedded, resource-constrained software, and large systems, with performance, efficiency, and flexibility of use as its design highlights. Key features of C++. Object-oriented programming, OOP. C++ introduces the concept of classes and objects which encapsulate data and functions together. Standard Template Library, STL. A powerful library of generic classes and functions for common data structures, like vectors, lists, queues, and stacks, and algorithms, like sorting, searching, and manipulation. Memory management. Direct manipulation of memory using pointers. Performance. C++ is known for its high performance and is often used in applications where performance is critical, such as game development, real-time simulations, and high-frequency trading. Low-level manipulation. C++ allows direct manipulation of hardware and memory, which is essential for system-level programming. Rich functionality. Supports both high-level and low-level programming. Common use cases. System/operating system development. C++ is used in the development of operating systems like Windows and Linux. Game development. Many game engines, such as Unreal Engine, are written in C++. Embedded systems. C++ is used for software that runs on embedded systems due to its close-to-hardware capabilities. High-performance applications. C++ is chosen for applications that require real-time performance and high efficiency.